This is a DNA nucleotide. This is the phosphate, this is the sugar, deoxyribose, and this is the nitrogen base. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine are the 4 nitrogen bases in a DNA nucleotide. Adenine and thymine go together, and cytosine and guanine go together. This is an RNA nucleotide. It also has a phosphate, a sugar, but the sugar is called ribose, and a nitrogen base. The nitrogen bases in an RNA nucleotide are adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine and uracil go together, and cytosine and guanine go together. Purines are a type of nitrogen bases. They are found in DNA and RNA and composed of 2 carbon rings. Pyrimidines are another type of nitrogen bases. Thymine and cytosine are only found in DNA, and uracil and cytosine are only found in RNA, and they are composed of 1 carbon ring. Pyrimidines and purines always pair together. This is an unwound piece of DNA. The backbone composes of a phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar. The 2 backbones are parallel, but oriented in opposite directions. This is called antiparallel. The phosphate at the 5' position of one nucleotide attaches to the 3' position of the nucleotide next to it. You know it's the 5' end when all of the sugars are facing it and it has a phosphate on its end. And you know it's the 3' end because all of the sugars are not facing it and it ends in a sugar. The backbone of DNA is held together by a covalent bond. The nitrogen bases are held together by a hydrogen bond, which binds the nucleotides together too. These are complementary strands. They always complement each other to make the double helix the same width. A double helix is the least condensed form of DNA, and histones are the protein that help it condense. RNA is a copy of DNA. DNA is not disposable. Chromosomes contain sections of DNA called genes. A gene is a section of DNA that controls traits and characteristics. Chromatin is a form of DNA during interphase.